Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, wish. Wish mo na bago magtanong.
You happy or not?
Okay. Ano? Okay.
No, wish muna bago mag-blow baligtad.
Okay.
Wish muna.
Oh,
I wish kapatid.
okay. Okay.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Say thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I mean, not the end of the video. We're still gonna do stuff. Kanda baba. And may bisita tayo later, di ba?
But it's not allowed.
Huh? Wait.
It's not allowed.
May mga
Ang bagal ng no? No? Hi! Birthday today!
Birthday Toyo. Birthday Toyo.
Makakabot ka? Makakabot tayo ha? Ayun na, lakas ka no? Ano siguro?
For breakfast. Mom, can I wash hands?
Get the plate.
Get the plate. Oh, what do you want? Cereal? Cereal again. Get plate, Liam. This one plate. Get. Oh, go, do it. Careful. Okay.
You hold.
Oh, hold. Oh, go. Put what you want. You want cheese? Cucumber?
It's bigger.
It's okay.
Want cheddar cheese?
Ako na.
Want
Magagamit yun. ikaw, yung sa'yo yung kakainin mo. What you will eat?
Small part. Ano yung peta cheese?
Iwanan mo dito yung to.
Can I have this? What's wrong? A little dressing.
Lagyan dito yung to. Put here. Let's go. There. Oh, here. Sorry.
Leg beans, you want?
Ikaw na lang.
No, you have Chinese salted egg already there.
May boiled egg. May boiled egg.
No, put it back this one here. Only one piece. If you need more, you come back. Okay? Oh, one can. Only one piece.
Hello?
Ayaw kasing yan, i-close mo yun to. Yan. Oh, let's go. Put down here. Okay. Ano to? Ano daddy?
Sausage.
Hindi ito.
Liver.
Oh, may croissant. Baby croissant. I like it. Get the bread.
This one is nice.
Get the, ano. Kuha mo ko dito. Dali, put it.
Ito?
Ayun, meron dito sariling ano. Ito. Yan. I wanna try.
Isa lang?
Yeah. Okay. And this one chocolate.
This one?
Oops, slowly ha. Malaglag ha. Good job. Put down there. Put it back. Hey, yeah. Good job. Ano to, daddy? Alam kong bread ito.
Parang anong high bread yan.
You wanna try? Huwag mo laruin, Liam. Stop it.
Daddy!
Kakainin mo yan? You want to eat that?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No,
Arabic bread yan, ha?
ano yan? Falafel.
Hindi mo magugustuhan yan.
You try to try falafel?
You try.
No, I don't like it.
Eh,
Oh, get the orange juice. Come here.
get juice.
Get juice. Yeah, I like orange. Oh, juice. Mango juice is nice.
Ano to?
Apple juice.
Apple juice. Yeah, lemon water. And ito kaya apple juice. Oh. Ay, it's apple juice. This one.
How is it apple?
It's in the ready. Oh, press. Press it. Push.
Beer, come on.
Okay, now.
Ako orange. Get me orange, please.
Ako magkukuha.
Okay. Oh, get mo kay mami.
Get orange,
Is this
please.
orange?
Yes.
Orange ba yun, daddy?
Yeah. I think it's mango. I don't know because this is a mango.
This is mango.
Yeah, I think it's orange.
Oh, daddy, enough. Let's go. Hold tightly. Come on.
Yeah, it's orange.
Oh, let's go.
Come on. Pwede din. Saan ba?
I'm sweating so bad.
Where are you gonna sit?
Here.
Oh, no.
Oh, this is your present. Hey. How's the food?
Good. I love it.
What is that?
Pancake.
Your son? It's potato croquette?
Daddy.
It's okay.
Wala na ako fork.
It's okay. It's okay.
Paano yung fork na yun, Daddy?
It's okay. Later, I'll take it. Croquette? Croquette. Kainin mo muna ano mo. Yung pancake mo. Oh.
Watermelon salt.
Nalagyan ko lang ha. Ito lang po. Parang.
Daddy, yung egg lang ang ganas. Akin ordinary.
Ay, kasi baka ayaw mo ng ganito eh. Okay, di mo.
Tomato first. Alright.
Oh, tuyo! 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 Tilapia!
Baka mo mag-isa.
Bakit ako si Daddy?
Siyempre. Iwan ka lang dito pag may nabasa. May lang dito.
Ikaw ang magbabayad mo.
Ako yung kid. Ikaw yung dad. Who's the main of the house? You. Then you're gonna bayad of everything.
Yeah, that's why I'm the one always saying to you, not this is what not good.
Because you're scared to buy them.
Yeah. Dami.
Pangit? Okay, I like the food. 10 out of 10. That's it. I like the food.
10 out of 10.
Yes.
Ang sarap, busog, sabog. Tinatawag na ako ng banyo.
Where are we going?
In the room.
We're in minus 1 floor.
In our room. There.
We're in -1. You have the point. Teach you. Teach you. Teach you.
Sasabog na. Ali, ako muna ha.
Teach you. Teach you.
Go faster. Faster.
Give me that one.
Hey.
Wow, nice life.
Hello.
Nice life. Busog?
Yes.
Yes, ako gutom na ulit kasi naglabas na ako.
Naglabas ka na ano?
Nag-deposit na ulit ako sa banyo. Yeah. What's color? Akmar. What is the blue? Oh, shrub. Orange. Oh, sabi na, hindi nakakita.
Ano ka dyan? Ako matanda, no?
Ay, magpa-bless. Ay, magpa-bless. Hi.
Nag-photoshoot na yan.
Ha?
Nag-photoshoot na.
Oh my God!
Hinihintay ka nga niya, magpipicture tayo doon.
May picture pa? Kaya na tayo. So hungry.
Oh, remove your eyeglass. Look at the picture.
Slice it. Yeah, ikaw, bahala ka.
Ba't mga Pinoy hindi sa
Wow.
Si Ersun din. Ako may bitkin. Ako din. Ay, ako never ako mahilig sa ganyan.
Oops. Oh, get the plate. Kuha ka ng plate doon. Gigil na gigil eh. Kuha ng plate yun.
Kasi matibay. Kahit ilang years pwede mo gamitin.
Leather
Kahit mahal.
yun
Hindi mo 3 years. Ito,
Leather.
ito na. Matagal na ito kami.
Hali.
Kagalagas mo.
Kuha ka.
Huwag lang siya laging mabasa.
Gaganunin mo.
Tatanggalin dikit. Huwag lang yung isa. Yung...
Yan. Oh, sambutin mo dito.
Ito din eh. Tagal
Oh.
plate day.
Oh. Go Liam. Go Liam. Go, go. Yay! Very good. Good job.
Is this edible?
Oh.
Is this
Alisin mo yung ano. Oh.
Is this edible?
Oo, alisin mo yung knife. Alisin mo yung knife. Yan. Ako, tapos kumain ka na. Yan pa din. Slice pa din niya.
Subukan mo sila.
Ay!
Saan? Hindi ko naman napapost. Hindi.
Mami, kakainin mo ito.
Okay.
Hindi ko nag-comment siya sa atin. Oo.
Tatapon ang cake mo.
Can you get the fries?
That's not right.
Diretso sa bibig.
Nabidyohan!
Diretso sa bibig eh. Ako ka nang yan. Okay.
Kapayat na yung siriya.
Sumunod ka sa kasi.
No. I want to try. Dali na. Ate mo ako.
Subo!
Which cake?
Yan, yan sa plato mo.
Hindi ko lalagyan na laga. Invisible bite. Dali na. Ate yan. Kasi pupuputuloy ako.
Marte yan eh. Oh.
Bigay
Ay,
ko na lang
nakakain
ng
ako
plate.
sa India.
Hindi.
Bigay ko na lang ng plate.
Tama, bibigyan ka na lang daw ng plate. Ang arte.
Hindi, gusto
Kumuha ka ng isang... Okay, kain ka ng isang fork.
Kain ka na isang fork. Kain ka na isang fork.
Kuha ka ng isang fork. Tapos yun ang gamitin mo. Ang arte.
Loading pa. 33.
Yan.
Oh. Ito pa yun ko na.
Yan ang plastic. Yan. Oh, suba mo sila. Hawakan mo yung plates, of course.
Here.
Galing ka pa dyan eh.
Subuhan mo pati sa atin, Des. Go!
Kuya Mark,
Si Kuya Mark.
Bakor, gusto mo eh. Yan ba favorite niya? Kaya pala gusto niya. Masarap cake sa Mr. Baker eh. Thank you.
Si Kuya. Si Kuya naman.
Ganda na ako na.
Ayan na, okay lang yan.
Patayong
Friends sila.
patayong lahi eh. Kaya napapasta natin.
Kaya nga daw. Oo nga daw. Ngayon, ikaw naman. Si Daddy pa pala. Ano na?
Ay, ba't pinasa mo?
Oh, baka malaglag. Hawakan mo mabuti. Okay na. Doon na lang. Doon na lang sa basurahan. Okay.
Sabi na nga ba?
Ikaw daw, Daddy, subuhan ka din daw na.
Sa ano araw eh.
Nakita mo na sa Angelo.
Ako din. Ako, video. Oh, lalaglag.
Ayoko lang mabilis lang sa akin sa taba ko. Balik eh, dito lang yan. Naka-ex na nga yung last kong sinili.
Good job.
Sarap.
Ano lang.
Hindi kaya na yan.
Ayan na hawakan niya eh.
Ano na? Picture?
Picture muna.
Hold, Liam, hold. Okay. 1, 2, ready, smile. Smile. Dat pala dyan sa ate. Sige, ay na, sing na ha. 1, 2, ready, get. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mag-blow kayo tatlo. Kayo tatlo. Tatlo mag-blow. Kayo tatlo. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow! Happy birthday, Liam! Kiss, kiss! Yay! Just give me my money! Just give me
Guys, I'll show you a magic. No lights! Oh no! Can you open? No! How can we make it? You see this? Look guys, look at the card.
Nakaharang ang kamay mo eh. Yan. Karma.
Karma is real.
Kanta!
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, mommy. Dapat pumutok doon eh. Dance. Dance.
Haba.
Dance. Ang galing. Ang galing. Huh?
Walang handa.
Happy birthday.
Walang handa.
Walang handa.
Istante, ilayo mo. Yan. Alilit pangita kami niya sa...
Birthday, happy birthday.
Baka pumutok sa ano eh.
Walang handa. Happy birthday. Go.
Hey, wish. Daddy, what's your wish? Tell us.
Wish of the below people.
1, 2, 3, go!
Anong wish mo?
Magbait na po si Liam, Lord.
Oh,
Good health. Good health po at magbait si Liam. At matupad po ang wish ni Liam na magkapatid. Oh, Sophia na. Ano yan?